organizing your computer and still placing everything we need from the computer parts, peripherals, and the speakers. This is a very standard subwoofer for a three-piece speaker system. This can really go anywhere. Where should it go? It can fit anywhere, and anywhere the cord will reach, great. But what we really need to worry about is getting this out of the way, because the sound won't be impeded because of the nature of the sound it puts out by anywhere we put it. You can stick this under your bed for the most part, and the sound isn't going to be affected. The sub should go out of the way as much as possible, because we don't need to access it. So we kick it all the way back as much as we can. Again, we're going to wire this later, but that's the one speaker that doesn't really matter where you place it. Now, the other speakers are going to matter a little bit more. One's going to be right, one's going to be left. And the reason that is it does change the dynamic of the sound a little bit. So, if you want as best sound as possible, try and get them as wide, as far apart as possible. Your ears will actually attune to how the speakers are set up, and as far away as they are, your ears can tell what's more right, what's more left, and it will actually sound better to get them wider. If you don't have the space, there's really nothing wrong with putting them like that. I don't really recommend putting them on one side of your head, like so, because you're not really going to hear anything. You're going to basically hear mono sound instead of stereo sound, so you wasted some money on speakers. So keep something like this as wide as they can, and it'll get you a little better quality for the sound you have and what you're actually purchasing already.